My dear student, once again, all of you are welcome to my channel, YouTube channel, that is Math Success Point. Today, I am going to start the new chapter, that is matrices, and which is very important because the matrices that is used in different parts of mathematics or in other subjects. While you prepare the result, teachers prepare the result, they prepare the matrix of the result. That is why it is very important part of the mathematics. And one thing which I want to tell you, I am repeatedly requesting you that you must have to share my videos or like my videos so that other students also will be benefited. They will be benefited as I am cooperating you, you must cooperative to your friends. That is why it is essential to cooperate to your friends so that each and every student, that is my motive, must get the quality of education. Now let us start. My dear student, the definition of the matrix is that is a matrix is an ordered, that is the rectangular arrangement of the elements, members, and each and every member of the matrix, that is called element. That also may be in the form of the function. Rectangular arrangement of the numbers as well as the function. And these numbers and functions are known as the elements of the matrices or the entries of the matrices. Let me take one example. Here, example of the matrix. Try to understand. I will take actually the standard, and by using this example, I will explain the rows and columns. Because let me take suppose, because that important example I am taking, that is why try to understand. A11, A12, A13. I will take dot dot. Similarly, here you can take A21. You see, A11, A12. Second entry is increasing in the form of row, and you see in the form of column, the first entry is increasing. A21, A22, A23, like that. A31, A32, A33. See, my dear student, the example. See the example, this is a very important example I am taking. Let me increase this one. I am going to increase this one. You see, 1, that is constant. 1, 1, because it is first row. First row, that is horizontal part, that is known as row. Vertical part, that is known as column. 1 is same, but second entry is increasing. That is why here will be A1J I am taking. Once again you take A1M, because let me take it N, because rows that will be denoted by M and column that will be denoted by N. Similarly, here you can take, because 2, 2, second entry is increasing, 2J. Here also you take 2N. Similarly, you take over here A3J dot 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 A3N. Okay, let me take now these entries. Here will be A, because you see first entry is increasing, that is to be denoted by I1, I2, I3. Very simple thing to write, dear student. That is why here will be Aij. See, Aimn, Aij, here you can write Aij. Okay, or In, you take In, because I will change it now in the next. Here I will change 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See, you can write I means I, and second entry in place of I you will take M 1, AM 2, AM 3, AM J or AM N. This is the matrix. Suppose I have taken. You see Mn. First of all, you will write M. M indicate two rows, and then you will write N. It indicate to the column. That is why in this matrix there will be M rows and columns. I told you horizontal line, that is to be denoted by rows. First row, this is first row, second row, third row, ith row or mth row. Similarly, this will be equal to what? First column, second column, third column, and jth column or nth column. You see. Let me remove it from here so that it will be visible to you properly. I am telling you the very important thing. These are the first column, second column. Let me take the columns. I am going to take by C1, first column. Otherwise, it will occupy the maximum space. C2. And C3 like that, and Cm, and so on. This will be the first row R1, second row R2, third row R3, first row, second row, third row, first column, second column, third column. First you write the entry of the row, and secondly you write the entry of column. My dear student, you see carefully. That is the very important part of your matrices, because I told you many times, first you clear the definition, then formula, and solve the simple questions related to that one. Then automatically there will be the practice. Practice a number of questions. If you will practice a number of questions, then you will be benefited. Okay, that is why you see, my dear student, I will tell you, this is the matrix, very important. The matrix that is to be denoted by in the form of M by N. M cross N means M by N. You will have to read it. M by N matrix. Okay? I told you the rows, horizontal line that is rows, and vertical line that is columns. Vertical line that will be denoted by column, and horizontal line that will be denoted by rows. And how you will write the order of the matrix? Let me write order of matrix. Order of the matrix. Order will be, if the matrix is given in the form of rows, M rows and column, then M by N, M cross N is the order of the matrix. Okay? That is why once again you can clear, there are M rows in the matrix and N columns. N columns in the matrix. Therefore, M by N is order of matrix. This is the order of the matrix. See carefully. Order of the matrix, if the matrix is given in the form of M rows, N columns, order will be M by N. You must have to read it. M by N is the order of the matrix. Because I will tell you some questions related with this definition. And very important thing I am taking. Okay, let me take some questions. But one thing I want to tell you. The value of this matrix I will write in the short form, which frequently we will use. Here given Aij. It is very important, but this matrix is m by n order. This whole matrix, and symbol of the matrix you see like that. This bracket is the symbol of the matrix. Okay? And you see, this whole matrix we will write in the form of Aij. I rows, j column. M rows, n column, m by n. Okay? M by n that is given over here. And this total I have given in the form of Aij. That is a very important thing. And you must have to keep in mind. The order of this matrix is, this whole I have written in the short form, that is Aij. This matrix, it is known as the Aij. But condition is there. You see, I less than or equal to m, greater than or equal to 1. And next thing, n. Next, j. Let me take j first. J less than or equal to n, greater than or equal to 1. This thing also you must have to keep in mind. I am telling you the very important basic concepts related with the matrices. Without these conditions, it will be very difficult to find out the solution of the question. Okay, let me take some questions from your book. Very important question I will take first, and so that later on I will take the definition, so that you must know what is the formula. In place of this one, you must have to keep in mind this thing, order of the matrix, and suppose let me take the examples or the questions. Let me take the questions. Actually, question that is given in your book. Okay, I will take the questions from the exercise 3.1. Very important exercise and very simple questions I am taking. No need to take the other extra examples. Questions are more than sufficient given in this exercise. 3.1. Let me take question number 1 from this exercise 3.1. You can see in your book. The matrix is given. I am not going to write the whole question because it will take a lot of time. I am writing here 2, 5, 19 and minus 7. This is the first row of this matrix. Second row 35 minus 2, 5 by 2 or 12. Another root 3, 1 minus 5 and 17. There are 4 rows, you see. There are 3 rows, 1, 2, 3 and 4 columns. Columns are 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 columns. And rows are 1, 2 or 3. 3 rows are there and 4 columns are there. I have given only a symbolic form of it. That is why I am going to remove it, otherwise it will create the problem while I will solve the question. See that one? See, this is the matrix. Here it is given the order of the matrix. Write first part. Write order of matrix. Write order of the matrix. Dear student, you see order. Now you see rows. Rows. How many rows are there? First of all, you will write rows. Rows will be equal to rows that is to be denoted by m. Rows. 1 row, second row, third row. 3 rows are there. Okay. And column. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns are there. Then what is the order of this matrix? Therefore, order of the matrix is, what is that? First of all, you will write row 3 and then you will write 4, 3 by 4. This is the order of this matrix. And total element will be equal to how much? 12 elements, you see. 3 into 4, that will be 12 elements are there. You can count. There are 12 elements. Okay? My dear student, you see once again the thing which is asked in this question. Number of elements. I told you the number of elements just now. Number of elements, number of entries in this matrix. कितनी है भाई बताइए? It will be equal to 3 by 4 means 12 elements. There are 12 elements. You can count, there are 12 elements in this matrix. I am telling you the basic things, that is why you must understand basic things, because these things you will have to use frequently to find out the solution of the other question. Okay, let me take the third part of it. What is the third part? Let me remove this thing first, part of it. Now let me solve the third part of it. You see what is given in the third part. Write the element. Write the element. My dear student, that is the important thing. Write the elements. Elements. What are the elements? A13. You see it, how you will find out. A21. A33. A24. Or A23. These elements you will have to find out. You must have to compare. Here I am going to write A11. As I told you, the matrix Aij, M column, M rows, N columns. See, A11, A12, first row, elements of first row, 1, 2. Third element of first row, 3. It will be 3. This is the third element. Or fourth element, A14. Next, A second row, 2, 1, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33 or A34. Whatever the element I have given, this symbolic form, okay? Similar kind of number of rows, how much? 3. And number of columns, 4. Here also number of rows, 3. Number of columns, 4. Okay? That is why you see. Okay, now you find out the value of it. You compare these two matrices. Okay? A13. A13 will be equal to what? You see A13. A13, this is the third element of first row. Third element of first row, that is third element of first row. First row. Third element of first row is this one, 19. See carefully. Third element of the first row is this one. Next you see A21. A21. 2, second row and first column. Second row, first column. You see second row, first column is this one. Means this one. You see this element. First element of second row. First element of second row. Second row. It will be equal to how much? 35. Like that. Very simple to write. My dear student, next you see A33. A33 means first row indicate, first number indicate to the row, second indicate the column, third row, third column. Third row, third column. You see, third row, third column. This one. This is the third row and this is the third column. It is -5. Third row and third column. -5. You can see, यहाँ पे लिखना चाहो तो लिख लीजिए third element of third row. Like that if you want. Next is what? A24. A24 you see. A24. Fourth element of second row. Fourth element is what? 12. Fourth element of second row, fourth column. Second row, fourth column, 12. Okay? If you want to write in this way, you can write, that depends upon you. Now, A23. Let me take in the simplest way. First is second row, third column. Second row or third column, 5/2. Second row, third column, 5/2. 5/2. देखिए, first is given A23. Second row, third column. Second row, this is the second row or third column is this one, 5/2. Like that you can find out the solution of the question. Very simple questions are given. Let me take one more question, my dear students. Very simple questions I am going to provide you. Okay, let me remove this thing from here so that you will be comfortable to see the solution. Dear students, question number 2 I am taking. Question number 2. What is the question number 2? Question 2, you see, if the matrix has how many elements? Matrix If the matrix has how many elements? 24 elements. 24 elements. Question is given in your book. What are the possible orders it can have? Why if it has 13 elements? Question is given in your book. If total elements are 24, possible, you see, possible orders are क्या क्या हो सकते हैं भाई possible orders? 24 rows, 1 column. That is one thing. One column, 1 row, 24 columns. I already told you. First will indicate to the row, second indicate to the column. 24 rows, first column. 1 row, 24 column. Next, after that, 4 rows, 6 column, 6 rows, 4 column. That also may be possible. Okay, and after that, next you see 3 rows, 8 column, 8 rows, 3 column. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Okay, you also can write 24 or other things. 12 rows, 2 column, or 2 rows, 12 columns. That is also possible. You see, these are the possible orders. Possible orders. Once again, you see 24 rows, 1 column, 24 rows, like that. But elements should be how much? 24. But when? This is the first case. Second case. What is the second case? You see, second case is given over here. If the elements are 13. 13 you can't factorize. Possible orders will be, possible orders are, you see, 13 into 1 and 1 into 13. 13 rows, 1 column, 1 row, 13 columns. These are the possible orders only. Okay, let me take one more question. This is given question number 3 in your book. Question number 3, you can see, actually book should be with you. Because without the question, it is very difficult to understand the solution. Okay, book must be with you, because when the question is there, it is very difficult to write on the board. That is why you see in your book. If the matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? And when there will be 5 elements, then what will be the order? Okay, 18, if the elements are 18 elements in the matrix. In the matrix, orders, possible orders बताइए क्या होंगे? Possible orders are same thing, 18 rows, 1 column, 1 row, 18 columns. Next thing, 3 rows, 6 columns, 6 rows, 3 columns. Next, 2 rows, 9 columns, 9 rows, 2 columns. Any other thing? I think these are over. Okay, and this is the first case. Second case of this one. If the elements are, how many elements are there? 5 elements. 5 elements. Then what will be the order? Possible orders, you see. Possible order. 5 rows, 1 column, 1 row, 5 columns. 5 rows, 1 column, 1 row, 5 columns. These are the possible orders. Okay? This thing you must have to write. Let me write here. Possible orders are, यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ, और 1 into 5. 5 rows, 1 column, 1 row, 5 columns. These are the possible orders, because 5 you can't factorize. That is why you must have to keep in mind. I told you the basic things related with the matrices. Let me take the important thing, which generally comes in the examination. Okay, you see, I'm taking the question number 4 first from your exercise. What will be the question number 4? First part I am taking, my dear student, and you be careful that we are discussing the very important part of your mathematics. Question number 4, construct a 2 by 2 matrix. Same thing which I told you just before, that is given over here. A that is to be denoted by Aij. यही तो चीज बताई थी अभी मैंने. Standard form, short form, that is this one of the matrix. Okay, whose elements are given? Whose elements are given by, क्या दिया हुआ है भाई, देखिए जरा. Whose elements are given by first part, its first part, Aij will be equal to how much? I plus j square by 2. Elements you will take from here. Aij you will take from here. Okay, see my dear student, see the thing. Let me write here. यहां पर लिख देता हूं मैं एक मैट्रिक्स 2 by 2 मैट्रिक्स. I1 J1, A11 आ गया, A11, it will be A11. Then I1 J2, A लीजिए, और I2 J1, I2 J2, A22, that is 2 by 2 matrix. 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows, 2 columns. That means what elements are we are required? A11, A12, A21, A22. These elements you are required only. Okay, let me find out it from here. If I is 1 और J is 1, I is 1, J1, यहाँ पे लिखिए, I के स्थान पे 1 लिख दीजिए और J के स्थान पे भी 1 लिख दीजिए, स्क्वायर बाई 2. It will be equal to 2 square by 2, that will be 4 by 2, means 2. Its value will be 2. Okay, next is A21 ले लीजिए. A21, I is how much? First is I, second is J. I is 2, J is 1. 2 plus 1 square by 2. That is 3 square by 2 और that is 9 by 2. I के स्थान पे आपको 2 रखना है, J के स्थान पे आपको 1 रखना है. Okay, all right. Next you take, I am taking putting comma. Next is A12. I1 J2, that will be I1 or J2 square divided by 2. Okay, it will be 3 square by 2, means 9 by 2. It is also 9 by 2. Next, A22, I1 I2 J2, 2 plus 2 square by 2. देखिए यहां पर I भी 2 है और J भी 2 है. Okay, 4 square by 2, that is 16 by 2, and that is 8. Now here it is given, construct the matrix. The required matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. क्या मैट्रिक्स हो गई भाई बताइए? You see, in place of A11, what you will write? 2. Then second is A12 क्या लिखेंगे? 9 by 2. Okay, A21, that is also 9 by 2. और A22 is 8. My dear student, it is the 2 by 2 matrix. 2 rows, 2 columns. There are 2 rows, 2 columns. Similarly, you can find out the other matrices. I will tell you one part in question number 5 also. Question number 5, you see. Question number 5, but here it is given, construct a 3 by 4 matrix. 3 by 4 matrix means 3 rows, 4 columns. Okay, and the similar kind of thing is given. Similar kind of thing we will take, because it is given A will be this matrix. Okay, A is given, बताइए A की वैल्यू कितनी है भाई? Here comma is there, Aij. Let me remove it first. After that I will write the solution of it. इसको मुझे हटा दे दीजिए, so that you can find out the solution. Okay, construct 3 by 4 matrix. whose elements are given by. What are the given elements? That will be a, I, j. It will be equal to, my dear student, 1 by 2, and this is the symbol of absolute value minus 3 I plus j. Different question is there, that is why you see absolute value symbol is given. Question को you see the question carefully. This is the absolute symbol, that is why it is important. And 3 by 4 matrix, let me write the example of it. 3 by 4 matrix क्या हो सकती है भाई? 3 rows and 4 columns. 3 rows A11, A12, A13, A14. अभी लिखा था मैंने. 3 rows A21, A21, A22, A23 और A24. Next A31, A32, A33 और A34. This is 3 by 4 मैट्रिक्स. अब ये एलिमेंट आपको निकालने हैं. सबसे पहले देखो, I की वैल्यू 1, J की वैल्यू 1, मीन्स A11 1 by 2. लिखिए यहाँ पर I1 J1 minus 3 और 1 plus J that is also 1. देखिए कितनी आ गई भाई? minus 3 plus 1 and it will be equal to 1 upon 2, absolute value of minus 2, absolute value of minus 2, that is 2 positive, 2 by 2, that is 1. देखिए इस तरह से वैल्यू निकालनी है आपको. नेक्स्ट निकाल दीजिए. चलिए सबसे पहले कॉलम की वैल्यू निकाल देते हैं. कॉलम या फिर रो की वैल्यू चाहे तो रो की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. A21 क्या आ गया भाई बताइए? A21 I2 J1 लिखिए यहां पर I2 और J1. ओके, कैलकुलेट कर दीजिए. फाइंड द कैलकुलेशन. -6 + 1 and that will be equal to 1 by 2 minus 5 by -5. Okay, it will be equal to 5 by 2. Okay, next third element of third row A31. 3 row and first column. It will be equal to 1 by 2, 9 plus 1, and it will be equal to 1 by 2 minus 8, and that is 8 by 2. 8 by 2. That is 8 by 2. Okay? Because value will be positive, absolute value is 4. That we got the elements of first column. Similarly, you find out these are the values of first column. Second column की वैल्यू निकालते हैं. चलिए सेकंड कॉलम में क्या क्या आ जाएंगे? A12. ओके, A12 में रो 1 I के स्थान पे 1 रखेंगे, J के स्थान पे 2 रखेंगे. लीजिए 1 और J के स्थान पे 2. हाँ जी बताइए. 1 by 2 and it will be -3 and +1. It will be equal to 1 by 2 minus 1. That is 1 by 2. Its value is 1 by 2. ओके, अब हम यहीं पर अरेंज करते जाएंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पर नहीं तो स्पेस हमारे पास थोड़ा सा कम पड़ जाएगा. नेक्स्ट A22 IV2 और JV2 -3 I2 और JV2. Formula, that same formula you must have specified. Okay, it will be equal to 1 by 2 or -6 plus 2. Okay, it will be equal to how much? -4. 1 by 2 -4, and that is 4 by 2. It is equal to 2. Next, last element of the second column A32. I3 J2. देखिए इस चीज का ध्यान रखेंगे. I3 और J2. ओके, कैलकुलेट इट. 1 by 2 -9 plus 2, and that will be 7. 1 by 2 minus 7, and it will be 7 by 2. These are the elements. अच्छा, मैट्रिक्स को आप अरेंज कर लीजिए यहाँ पर, so that there will not be the problem. अभी हम मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ हमारा जो फर्स्ट कॉलम है उसके एलिमेंट में लिख देता हूं, दैट इज 1, फर्स्ट कॉलम के एलिमेंट 5/2 और नेक्स्ट विल बी 4। अच्छा, नेक्स्ट अब आप देखिए सेकंड कॉलम के एलिमेंट 1/2 और 2 और दैट विल बी 7/2। Similarly, you find out the elements of the other two columns. Let me take third column. Third column के elements निकालेंगे अभी हम लोग। Similar kind of thing, you will have to use third column. Third column के एलिमेंट क्या क्या है भाई बताइए। थर्ड कॉलम में देखिए A13 की वैल्यू आप निकालेंगे। A13 means I1J3 like that 1/2 अप्लाई कीजिए वैल्यू। I1 है -3 1 और ये 3 J3। ओके, इट विल बी इक्वल टू बताइए। लेट मी टेक एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यूज वी विल फाइंड आउट एंड दैट विल बी -3 and 3 0। इट विल बी 0। ओके, 0 and 0 1/2 into 0 that will be 0। okay, next element देखिए A23 is there, इसकी वैल्यू निकालेंगे I2J3 I2J3। okay, it will be equal to 1/2 and 6 minus 6 plus 3 it will be equal to 1/2 और -3 और -3 किसके इक्वल होगा? पॉजिटिव। एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ -3 इज 3/2। ओके, साथ के साथ लिखते जाइए। ये 0 आ गया हमारा एलिमेंट और ये आ गया 3/2। इसका नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट A33 थर्ड रो थर्ड कॉलम का एलिमेंट। दोनों 3 है 1/2 -3 एंड +3। इट विल बी इक्वल टू 1/2 3 9 -9 plus 3 and it will be 1/2 minus 6 and absolute value of -6 that will be how much? 1/2 into 6 that is 3। ये 3 आ गया, ये एलिमेंट 3 आ गया हमारे पास। अभी एक रो के एलिमेंट और रह गए हमारे पास, that is 3। ओके, एक रो के एलिमेंट क्या है? मींस फोर्थ कॉलम के एलिमेंट निकालेंगे। फोर्थ कॉलम, चलिए फोर्थ कॉलम के एलिमेंट बताइए। लास्ट कॉलम है हमारा A14। इसलिए मैंने बताया स्टैंडर्ड 4 को जरूर लिख लेना है, नहीं तो एलिमेंट निकालने में कंफ्यूजन हो सकता है। ओके, क्योंकि नंदी हमारे कितने 3 रोज और 4 कॉलम्स हैं। 3 रो 4 कॉलम्स, कितने एलिमेंट हमको डिटरमाइन करने हैं? 12 एलिमेंट। अभी 3 और बाकी हैं हमारे। कौन कौन से? A14 निकालिए। Find out the value of A14. A14 will be equal to I1J4। चलिए 1/2 -3 plus 4। You see I1J4 इसमें अप्लाई करते जाना वैल्यू। It will be equal to 1/2 और the -3 plus 1 plus 4 it will be equal to 1/2 और 1 that will be 1/2। ओके, यहाँ पे लिखे 1/2, ये मैट्रिक्स आ जाएगा आपके पास में। नेक्स्ट A24 it will be equal to 1/2 and -3 I2J4 2 plus 4 it will be equal to 1/2 6 minus 6 and plus 2 plus 4 C plus 4 this is plus 4। okay, it will be 1/2 and -2। absolute value of -2 means 2/2, that is 1। its value is 1। okay, next element is 1 and last element we are going to find out A34 I3J4 you put here I3 and J4। okay, it will be 1/2 -9 plus 4। okay, its value will be how much? 1/2 और -5 -9 plus 4 and it will be equal to 5/2। because absolute value of minus 5 is 5. That will be 5y. That we got the matrix of what order? 3 by 4. 3 rows or 4 columns. I will write over here now the answer. Answer you can write. You can write the answer. What is the answer? Answer is the matrix, the 3 by 4 required matrix. Required 3 by 4 matrix is 3 by 4 matrix is this one. Okay, and this is the answer of it. Very important question, my dear student. Like that you can practice. There may be a little lengthy calculation in the matrices, but questions are very simple. क्लास 12 में मैथमेटिक्स में सबसे सिंपल यदि है तो कोई मैट्रिसेस. My dear student, like that. Once again, I request you like my videos and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you to all of you.